Okay, let's go back and see where he is now. Getting my glove back on. Okay. I can hear them. I try to stand in the shade and film because maybe okay, let's try this. So he's emptied that box that had the honey. Sorry that you see he's blocking, but we've already seen him taking honey before, so. Okay, so he's going to take that box off, that empty box away. And there's the divider. Why do you take that one off? He probably can't hear me, the bees are so loud. Or maybe because he has to put the... Yes?
So now I'm gonna check the lowest box and see
Why are you so
if
close?
there are eggs or
Okay.
you can see it from here.
Sort of, when you're not blocking. I can't hear you? No.
Where was that?
The queen that you put in.
Yes, we do have here those called peitosikia. Under that brown skin there are those baby.
The eggs? Are there, so there are babies in there. I think that means that the new queen is working out. Okay, I guess I'm already at 6 minutes, so I guess I'll back up and go where I can take my glove off and come back. When are they gonna leave? Okay. Go back to your hive. So I'm already to the yard, and they are just now leaving. Okay. Nope, they're back. I'll walk around the back of the cell. Oh, I wonder if that's... I have to... Okay, I was trying to turn it off. I'm already at 8 minutes, but okay. I wish it would let me.